The Mice and the Elephant. Once, a herd of elephants visiting the pond carelessly destroyed the houses of the mice living there. The chief of the mice went to the Elephant King and told him what happened. The king promised to be careful. The mouse chief was grateful and promised to help them any time. One day, a group of hunters trapped the Elephant King. The elephants went to the mouse chief asking for help. He gathered his mice and rushed to the spot. They chewed at the nets and set the Elephant King free. Have you ever helped anyone? Leave your experience as a comment.